Hi all, welcome back to my channel Jamso Art Class. Today we will be drawing a mice. M-I-C-E, mice. So draw a straight line, a a curve from behind, and then two big ears, nosy, eyes, small circles to make eyes, and then mustaches. And now you can draw a tail with legs. Yes, mice is smiling. Why are you smiling so much? I'm hungry. I want cheese. Oh, you want cheese? Okay, so let's make a cheese. Draw a square with some small circles on it. It looks like a cheese now. And oh, what happened now? It's thinking. Oh, he's saying it's a yummy cheese. Wow. Are mice like little cheese? Okay, guys, and we'll see you in the next session. So keep watching Jamso Art Class. Please do like, subscribe, and share this channel. See you. Bye bye.